Let's make it happen. Whenever you are ready, let's see it. Down, controlled. Press up. Down. Good. Nice. There we go. Nice soft hold on the Superman. Let's see it. Down, controlled. Press up. Down slow into our push-up. Row. Chest and hips pointed down on that row. Downward dog. Nice tap. Right on down. Let's see it. There we go. Press up. Now controlled push-up. Stay controlled here. Nice. Halfway there. Right on down. Good. Superman. Smooth into it. Nice hold. Good. Press up. Let's see it. There we go. Push up. Good. Come on. Row. Row. Backing on up. Shoulder tap. Walking on down. 3 more. 3 more. Stay focused. Stay focused. Let's go. Good. Hands back. Press up. Right on down. Push up. Row. Good. Nice. Down control. Down control. Good. 2 more. 2 more. There we go, Romelle. Keep working. Keep working. Superman. Nice control. Press up. Right on down. Push up. Row. Down slow. 1 more. 1 more. Let's go. There we go. Good. Press up. Push up. Come on. Come on. Row. Chest and hips pointed down. Back it on up. Shoulder tap. Very nice. Come on up. Nice. Nice job.